what kind of a scholarship do University of Waikato provide for the international or South Asia student?
I think University of Waikato and the students who've been there, most of them have been awarded with a scholarship. So we're very popular with offering up, the Vice Chancellor International Excellence Scholarship that we have, and that's for our undergraduate and postgraduate students. And the value for the award is up to like 15,000 New Zealand dollars for undergraduate students who are coming in for bachelor's courses, and about 10,000 New Zealand dollars for our students who are coming in the master's courses. Of course, it's based on the academic achievements of the students, right? But then, if the students have a good profile overall, most of them apply for these scholarships and then awarded these scholarships. And the best part is that, these scholarships can help them with their, the financial part as well, and also, boost the confidence of a student that, based on their prior experience or, the profile that they have, they've got something from the university. So yeah.
Thank you so much for here in IAE Global for an interactive session, and this will help us to recruit more students especially for our University of Waikato.
I think we do have our July intake, November, and the next year intakes coming up. So if you have any queries about New Zealand as a destination, or you would want to apply to University of Waikato, you can definitely reach out to IAE Global team. Thank you so much.